Hello, my cute buddies. I'm your English ma'am speaking. I'm really glad to meet you in this session. In the previous session, we have learned the lesson in a nutshell, part 2. In this session, we are going to see the book back exercise of this lesson. Shall we go, children? Are you ready? Yes. Here, this is a question. It is in your book. Okay. What code did the Wizard of Dentistry use to help Ranbir identify and eat healthy food? Describe it in your own words. See, do you know code? Do you know what is code? A series of symbols, letters, or numbers assigned to something to help identify it. That is the meaning for code. So here this is the code, the traffic light you can see in the traffic signal. See, on the road they use these signals to move from one place to another place. Okay, so it tells the correct meaning. Okay, code. Do you know what is the first? It is red. What does Wizard said to Ranbir? He said the colors in the traffic light has a code. So you first stop at the red color, which means in this story he's trying to say he has to stop in the red color fruits and vegetables like tomatoes, beetroots and apples, and he have to eat such kind of fruits and vegetables which helps our body to get immunity. Okay, children. Now, what is the second color? Amber. So he said about the amber. It helps. Amber means what? Do you know what is amber? Yes, it is yellow and orange colored fruits and vegetables. So in the traffic signal, what we can do? We can wait during the yellow color light. So, but in this story, what does the wizard trying to say? He has to stop in the red color and he has to wait in the amber color, which means he has to take the yellow color and orange colored fruits and vegetables such as carrots, bananas, pineapples and oranges. So these and all improves his body level, and these and all helps to give energy and building his body. Now what is the third light, children? Yes, it is green. Do you know in the traffic light what we will do when the light green? If the light is green, we are go. We can go. Okay. So likewise in the story the wizard is trying to say we have to go on to the green fruits and vegetables. So what are the green fruits and vegetables? Like spinach, capsicum, beans, sprouts, guavas and sweet limes. So these give you the signal to go. So it gives a good nutrients. Nutrients is nothing but the substance that people need to live, grow and be healthy. So these are the thing the wizard advises Ranbir to do it. Okay. Next. Summarize the event that turned Ranbir into a more responsible boy in about 75 to 100 words. So you have to write this. You have to summarize this story and write this in your own words. Okay, children. What change? Fifth question. What change did Ranbir's mother notice in him after this incident? Yeah, Ranbir completely changed. We can see the answer. Ranbir's mother noticed that he started to take good care of himself. How he take care of himself? By brushing his teeth regularly and eating healthy food. Wow, that is really great, children. He completely turned into a good boy. So, because of the beautiful dream. Is it so? Yes. I think you also could follow Ranbir's attitude. Okay, children. Next. Here is an activity for you. Look within. What kind of food do you like? Discuss this your partner. You have to discuss this with your partner. What are the names of 3 of your most favorite food? Share your reasons for liking them. So you have to write your favorite food items here. It may be whatever. So you have to write here and discuss the reason why did you like this. You have to write the answer in your book, children. Okay. Next. Imagine a conversation between a healthy food and an unhealthy food. What would they say to each other? So it is a conversation. Do you know what is a conversation? The two people can speak each other. Okay, so you have to write the unhealthy food, healthy food in this place. You can draw and write its name. For example, what is a healthy food? Fruits and all healthy food. So you have to draw the fruits here and write fruits. And what is the unhealthy food? Maybe chips or pizza, whatever. You can draw here and write its name. So these two food items have the conversation. So you can imagine and you can create your own sentence. So this depends upon your creativity. So the two scenes will be there. You have to create and write. Okay, children. Now, think and ink. You have to write the answer in your book. Okay. Look at these pictures of healthy and unhealthy foods. Okay. So you have to circle the foods that you have think are healthy. Cross out those that you think are unhealthy. So which food items are healthy, you have to circle that food items, and which one you feel that is unhealthy and you have to cross that. Okay, children, can you tell me rice? Rice is a healthy food or unhealthy food? Yes, rice is a healthy food, so you have to circle it. Peas, it is a healthy food, so you have to circle it. French fries, do you think it is a healthy food? No, it is an unhealthy food, so you have to cross this. Milk, it is a healthy food? Yes, you have to circle it. Chips, no, it is unhealthy food, so you have to cross it. Burger, is it healthy food or unhealthy food? Yes, unhealthy food, you have to cross it. Bananas, yes, it is a healthy food, you have to circle it. Spinach, it is a healthy food, you have to circle it. Oranges, healthy food, you have to circle it. Grapes, healthy food, you have to circle it. Coca-Cola, unhealthy food, cross it. Chocolate, unhealthy food, cross it. So you have to write the answer, circle the answer and cross the answer in your book. Okay. Next, use some or all of the healthy foods that you have identified to create a new recipe. Include the quantity required for each item. Use the template in figure 4. You may copy this template in your note. Wow, it is a great thing. You will become a chef here. Do you like this, children? Preparing a new dish. So in your home you can be like a chef and you can prepare a new dish. So no fire and no baking. You can make your own dish preparation. So you have to write what are the ingredients you can need for this food. You can write this in this line, and how you can prepare this preparation, that you can write this. Okay, children, so this depends upon your creativity and you can do it in your home and write this in the studio. Okay, children, and we love it because why you prepare this dish and what is the reason you like this dish, that you can write here. Then you can write the name of the dish, what you are going to prepare, that name you have to write here. Okay. Next, today we are going to say grammar part. As you know very well, plural form of nouns. What are they? Yes, we are adding s and es. Pep activity. This to boost up your brain. Recall that nouns are names of people, places, animals and objects around you. They can be used in a singular or plural form. Okay, so now singular form, tree, adding s, trees. So they make the sentence. Apples grow on trees. Second one, bird, adding a s, birds. So you can create sentence using birds. Can you create? Yes, here is the answer. Birds are beautiful. You can write whatever sentence. Birds are colorful. Birds are sitting on the ground. Birds are flying in the sky. So whatever sentence you write, that is correct. Next, bus, adding es. So when we can add es, children, the word end with ish sound. S X Z C H S H ish sound. We are adding es. Bus, buses. They gave the sentence. The buses are parked in the depot. Okay. Now fox, foxes. So you have to create the sentence. Foxes. Can you create? Here is the answer. Wolves are howling in the forest. Or you can write here, foxes are howling in the forest. Okay. Next. Leaf, calf. See, you know very well, dropping f, we are adding ves. Leaves. Most leaves are green. They create the sentence. Now, calf, dropping a f, adding vs, calves. How we can create the sentence? Calves. Can you do? Here is the answer. The calves are standing in the field. Okay, children. Or you can create whatever sentence that will be right. Next, baby, dropping y and we are adding an ies, babies. Babies were put into different cradles. Okay. Now lady, dropping here y and we are adding an ies, ladies. How we can create sentence? Yes, here is the answer. The ladies are standing in the bus stop. Okay, children? Yes. Next. Study the image in figure. So here they have given the image. It is a food chart. So lot of food items they have given here. And you have to write the names of the food adding s and you can make a plural form. Write the plural forms of at least 6 nouns that you can see in Rambus food chart. Okay. See, so many food items are there. See here, shoes. So these are the exercise things. Socks and rice, bread, fish, nuts, grains, seeds and vegetables, fruits, milk items, dairy products. So everything were there. So you can take anything and you are adding s or es and make this as a plural form of word. Next, fruit. First example they have given fruit, adding s, fruits. Next, nut. What we can add here, s or es? S. So what is the answer? Nuts. Very good. Next, sweet. What we can add here? We are adding s, sweets. Next, fish. What we are adding here? Adding es, fish. So we are adding a fishes, adding es, fishes. Next, vegetable. What we can add here, s or es? S. So what is the answer? Vegetables. Next, cherry. See, the word end with y, we are dropping y and what we have to add here? IES. Cherries. So the last you have to take and write the word. Okay, children? So write these answers in your studios. Now, you may have added s to vegetable, grains and fruit to form their plural vegetables, grains and fruits. Did you try forming the plural form of word fish? They have given the word. The plural form of fish is usually also fish. But in this, it is the same in the singular and plural form. We use fishes to only refer to the different types of fish. It may be a same size or same variety of fish, means we are writing the same fish. But when it is different types, what you have to add? You have to add es, fishes. Are you clear, children? Now, the plural forms of some nouns are formed in different ways. They may remain the same or become a new word. Okay, that you have to write. So thank you, children. So write the words, write the answers in your studio and learn the grammar part. Meet you in the next session. Take care. Bye.